Calling the vibrating ball feeder test program. Press navigation menu key. Select Node 3 Project File List Management. After pressing OK to enter, select the test program. Select the test program and press OK to call the program. Call up the test program and press Start. Run directly. At this time, the screw machine will keep spraying out screws. Please note that the exit of the screw must not face people because there will be a very large impact force. So we inserted the outlet end of the screw into the special bottle. This bottle is equipped with an air outlet, so the trachea will not come out. Press this to stop the action. For example, if I call the program now, how do I operate it? Press Navigation. Select Node E, File Management. Press OK. Select Node 3, Project File List Management, and press OK. Choose the corresponding program. Press OK button. The same goes for switching other programs. We choose the vibrating ball feeder test program to check whether the debugging is normal. The name of the called program. Press Start and the screw machine runs automatically. Next, we learn how to replace the parts on the vibrating ball feeder. Different screw specifications require different parts to be replaced. Press the power switch once and see if the indicator light turns green. Green means start the vibrating ball feeder. By adjusting the voltage and vibration frequency, the screw can be moved. V represents voltage and F represents frequency. What values should the voltage and frequency be adjusted to so that the screw can work normally? Before the machine is shipped, the frequency and voltage of the screws are debugged normally. Before debugging, record the current values. Press the rotary button to switch voltage and frequency. Do not debug other functions. We only need to adjust the voltage and frequency, and do not operate other functions. When debugging the vibrating feeder, the speed cannot be too fast or too slow. It only needs to move the screws one by one, and the screws in the vibrating ball cannot be disconnected. Check that the screws have all moved into the gaps in the ball. Next, we learn to switch screws of other specifications and sizes and replace different vibrating ball feeder parts. Now the M1.0 screws are replaced by M0.8 screws, so we change the screw feed channel. Take out the fastening screws above the screw channel. The screw channel is located close to the vibrating ball. This is the LED-Link screw channel. When changing to different sizes, clean the ball, and screws of different sizes cannot be mixed together. The fixing screw channel needs to be close to the ball without any gap. Tighten the screws to secure. The screw channel cannot be connected with the left and right small tracks, and some clearance areas are required. The left and right small guide rails are detachable and removable. Remove these 4 screws and remove the cover. When replacing screws of other sizes, this shifter fork must also be replaced. Shifter fork, just put it inside. To replace screws of different sizes, we only need to replace 3 parts: screw channel, shifter fork, left and right small tracks. This is the first part of the tutorial on replacing the parts of the vibrating ball feeder when switching screws of different sizes.